Welcome to the LG Customer Support Channel. Your LG HomeBot features 3 brushes that facilitate a thorough house cleaning process. In this tutorial, we will discuss the different uses of each type of brush as well as their maintenance processes. Your HomeBot has 2 brushes. The black brush is optimally used for smooth surfaces. The side brushes clean the corners and edges of your home. There are steps you can take to maintain these brushes on your HomeBot for their long-term use. After each use, check the brushes for any damage. To clean the main brush, first, turn off the HomeBot. Then, take out the dustbin and flip the HomeBot upside down onto a soft surface. Locate the brush cover and release the tabs as shown here. Gently lift up on the brush cover tabs and lift off the cover. The brush roller is spring-loaded into the brush housing. Locate the ends of the roller by identifying the yellow and white end tabs. To remove this brush, gently grab the roller and push towards the yellow tab. Lift the white end up and remove the roller. Check the end tabs for any debris or hair that may have been tangled. Also check for blockages of the tabs which may hinder proper reinstallation of the main brush. Once removed, use the provided blade attachment tool to clean any tangled hair or debris from the main brush. Use the comb end of the brush cleaner to brush out any foreign material or hair from the bristles. Before reinstalling, check the pathway to the dustbin for any blockages or debris and clean as necessary. Check the end tab holders and clean if necessary. Reinsert the yellow tab into the yellow tab holder. Be mindful of the square orientation of the tabs. Gently press the yellow tab holder and lower the white tab into the white tab holder. Align the white tab with the holder by rotating the brush until aligned and seated. If the brush is properly installed, it should rotate freely in both directions. Reinstall the brush cover by lowering it onto the housing and snapping the tabs into place until you hear a click. After each use, check these brushes for any damages. If they are too warped or worn, they will most likely need to be replaced. Your HomeBot comes with an extra pair of side brushes. To install new brushes, use a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the holding screws and lift out the brushes. Make sure to hold down the side brushes while removing, otherwise they may spin and make removal difficult. When replacing, be mindful of the left and right orientation of the brushes as indicated on the HomeBot. Next, align the shaped hole of the brush with the corresponding tab on the HomeBot. Press down firmly and check for proper seating by rotating the brush. If your main brush also moves, the brush has been installed properly. Finish by reinserting the screws onto your HomeBot with a Phillips head screwdriver. You will again need to hold down the brushes, otherwise they may spin. To clean and maintain the side brushes, turn off the HomeBot. Take out the dustbin and flip your HomeBot upside down onto a soft surface. Inspect the condition of the corner brushes and use the brush tool provided to comb away any hair or debris. Next, soak the side brushes in warm water for about 10 seconds. Using a paper towel, gently dry the brushes, straightening out the bristles as necessary. Maintaining the side brushes will help your HomeBot more effectively clean your home every time. By following these steps, your vacuum cleaner can continue to provide you with the best satisfaction.